Hi guys, I'm Navonita. Welcome to my channel Foodie's Pal. Variety adds spice to life. Our culinary experience has broadened over the years. As a result, we as diners have developed a global palate now. We are even readily experimenting with different dishes from all over the world in our kitchen. Keeping that in mind, I present you an exotic chicken dish from the Middle East and the Mediterranean. Presenting chicken Baharat roast with batata hara and couscous. Let's head to the kitchen, guys.
Smoky, sweet and tangy spices with a zesty hint of garlic and lime make for a delectable and tasty chicken dish with little pops of sweet and sour pomegranate. This exotic chicken roast has a deep and aromatic flavor that makes your regular roasted chicken look basic. It has a unique taste that complements well with a simple bowl of couscous. This spice mix is enough to make 2 meals. For the list of ingredients, please check the description box. Baharat is a Middle Eastern spice blend used ubiquitously throughout Middle East and the Mediterranean region. At this stage, it will resemble a luscious dark red and brown powder. If you have time, you can dry roast whole spices and grind into powder. Store the mix in an airtight container in the pantry until ready to use. This mix will make 2 batches of poultry, fish or vegetable dishes. By allowing the steam to escape, the potatoes remain fluffy and delicious after baking. This spice concoction is influenced by regional flavor profiles in the Mediterranean. Therefore, it has a character of its own that even varies from pantry to pantry. It is quite similar to Indian garam masala. If allspice is not available, you can substitute with half teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg and half teaspoon of cloves. If sumac is not available, you can substitute with half teaspoon of dried lemon zest and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can use butter if you want. Adjust the level of spiciness at this stage. Use chicken thighs or quarter pieces or leg pieces with or without skin, or you can use a whole chicken. Use a heavy bottom pan as it conducts the heat evenly. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. Thank you. Keep flipping at regular intervals to ensure even cooking. I hope that you all will like the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Combine crispy spiced chicken pieces with batata hara, tasty Middle Eastern potato dish seasoned with lime, fresh herbs and rich spices. Nudge the pan from time to time to avoid burning. You can use red wine if you like. If you're on a clock, then you can dump the chicken and the marinade straight away into the oven without searing the pieces on the gas top for about 40 to 50 minutes with skin side up at 400 degree Fahrenheit or 200 degree Celsius. If you like the video, please press the like button. And guys, like, share and subscribe. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.